Hey, what's up guys? It's been a couple of weeks I've been using Mi Band 5 and I will tell you this right away, I'm really impressed. This little fitness tracker at the price point of $54 packs quite a punch. In this review, I will talk about hardware/build quality, fitness features, and then some extra features that Xiaomi has managed to fit in this tracker. In terms of build quality, it is very similar to Mi Band 4. We get the same plastic band and a removable device. The shape of the band is a little bit different and I like it better than the Mi Band 4. It also helps tell apart between the two generations of bands. With Mi Band 5, the bands are available in several different colors, so you can easily customize it as well. One of the main improvements in Mi Band 5 is the bigger display size. There is now a 1.1-inch AMOLED display as compared to the 0.95 inches on Mi Band 4. Not just that, it is also brighter at 450 nits and supports higher resolution of 126 by 294. This improvement, although a small one, improves the display viewing experience. Icons are now bigger, text is easier to read at a glance, and all in all, I have had a great time using this bigger display on Mi Band 5. Charging is also a breeze now. There is now a magnetic charger included in the box, and what made me happy is the charging cable is significantly longer than the one included with Mi Band 4. So now every time you want to charge your Mi Band 5, you don't have to wrestle it out of the band. With the bigger screen size also comes the bigger battery size. Included is the 125 mAh battery versus 110 in Mi Band 4. According to the company, this should give you 20 days of battery life on non-NFC version and 14 days on NFC version of Mi Band 5. I have got here a global version which doesn't include NFC, and I have used it continuously with all settings at max, such as continuous heart rate tracking and sleep tracking, etc. This together with daily activity tracking gave me on average a 7 to 8 days of battery life, which is still very good. It's much better than charging your watch every night or every other night for that matter. So it is safe to say that not only has Xiaomi retained all the best features of Mi Band 4, they have also successfully improved upon them. Looking at the fitness side of things, we now get 11 activities that can be tracked versus 7 on Mi Band 4. This vastly improves its usability as a fitness tracker. Among these, I have used jump rope activity the most, and what's impressive is how accurate it is when it comes to tracking the number of jumps. It easily tracks the jumps with an error of just 2 to 5 jumps, which for me is quite impressive. Then there are additional health related features such as stress tracker and breathing exercises to go with it. In China, you would also get an SpO2 sensor, but sadly global version misses out on that. Sleep tracking has also been beefed up with REM sleep tracking included now. However, there are two new health features that I think are really worth looking forward to. First one is the PAI score, short for Physiological Activity Indicator. The goal is to hit the 100 score mark in 7 days and then keep it above 100 as the score is updated every day. Every morning, the PAI you achieved 7 days ago will expire. The more you work out and increase your heart rate, the higher your PAI score is and healthier your heart will be. This, if used consistently, can not only push you towards a healthier lifestyle, but can also be a motivating factor to keep that score above 100 all the time. The second feature is the introduction of the female physiological health tracking. This allows women to track their menstrual cycle, record their symptoms and emotions, and also see the upcoming predicted dates. It has also been very well implemented in the Mi Fit app, and the timeline can be viewed on the tracker too. However, there are still some issues that have been inherited from Mi Band 4. The step counter is always ticking even if you are not walking and laying down on the bed. Also, the heart rate monitor struggles when tracking heart rate of beyond 140 beats per minute. Apart from the fitness features, there are some really cool extra features available on Mi Band 5. For instance, you can now long press on the watch face to change it quickly, and you can keep up to 6 watch faces on the band. There is a huge collection of watch faces in the Mi Fit app that ranges from art to workout to animations. And if that's not enough for you, you can custom make your own watch face as well. It also gets the widget support called shortcuts. Several band functions can be set up as shortcuts that can be accessed by swiping right and left from the watch face. This, in my view, was a much needed feature and improves the functionality of the band tenfold. You don't always have to navigate through tiny text and screen to access a regularly used feature. You can now just put it as a shortcut. Then there are features like camera control, which you can activate from the lab section in the Mi Fit app, and more do not disturb options as compared to the Mi Band 4. Overall, Mi Band 5 retains everything that's good about Mi Band 4, but also successfully builds upon it with new fitness features and providing good user experience on the software front. For the price point, it is without doubt one of the best fitness trackers out there, which could have been even better if the global version supported SpO2 sensor. But still, it's a pretty awesome deal. So guys, that's about it from this video. Now I want to know from you what you liked about this band and what you didn't, or if you plan on buying one. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.